Hi guys, it's Pauline here from Dualit. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a cappuccino at home using our Lungo blend. Now these are aluminium. I've got my piercer, aluminium capsule, pressed down. You can see here it's just made 3 tiny little holes. And that's because this is a thermoblock machine. It's not a blade machine, so you need to give it a little help. So ice cold milk. Don't fill the jug up too much because you want that froth to reach the top. And press on your steam button. Now you can see it's flashing. When it stops flashing, you're ready to go. So steam functions on the side here. I'm just going to turn down. A nice dry steam, and you can hear the pump going. That means it's a good fine steam you're going to get. Froth it right down into the bottom. Hold the jug underneath. And when it's hand hot, it's the right temperature. So that's just about the right temperature. Switch off. We're going to release the pressure just by pressing the button here. And always wipe down your frothing arm afterwards as well. So we're ready to go now. So pressing my Lungo button. So in the meantime, I'm just giving this a little tap and swirl because I want the bubbles just to kind of disappear a bit and have that gloss. Can you see how glossy that is on there? And here we go. Just going to pour in my milk. And that is what you call a good cappuccino. We've even got some cocoa to put on top here. And there you have a brilliant Dualit cappuccino. Please go on our website and have a look at our coffee range. We do quite a few different machines. And cheers, see you for the next video.